Hi friends, this is N Rakesh studying BTech first year Electronics Communication and Engineering in Johnson's Institute of Technology. Today we will discuss about new technologies for using renewable energy source. Renewable means which are present in the nature like sun, wind, water or earth. From these four we will get electric. From sun, solar, wind. From windmills we will get electricity. Water. From hydro water we will get electricity. Earth. Under the earth, the heat present, we will get the geothermal energy by we will get electricity. First, we will discuss about solar energy. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of technologies such as solar power to generate electricity. Solar thermal energy including solar water heating and solar architecture. It is an essential source of renewable energy and its technologies as either passive solar or active solar depending on how they capture and distribute solar energy or convert it into solar power. Active solar techniques include the use of photovoltaic system, concentrated solar power and solar water heating to harness the energy. Passive solar techniques include orienting a building to the sun, selecting materials with favorable thermal mass or light dispersing properties, and designing space that naturally circulate. In solar energy, there are four types: solar thermal energy, transparent solar energy, concentrated solar power, and solar ball. Solar thermal energy. Solar thermal energy is a form of energy and a technology for harnessing solar energy to generate thermal energy from use in industry and in the residential and commercial sectors. Transparent solar panels. New solar panels technologies are set to transform the global solar energy landscape. Some of these promising technologies are already in the advanced stage of development and could hit the market fairly soon. These are transparent solar panels that can literally generate electricity from windows in office, homes, cars, sunroofs, or even smartphones. Concentrated solar power. Concentrated solar power systems generate solar power by using mirrors or lenses to concentrate a large area of sunlight onto a receiver. Electricity is generated when the concentrated light is converted to heat, which drives a heat energy connected to an electrical power of generator or thermochemical reactor. Solar ball. The ball is a water purification device based on evaporation purification. A solar ball can produce 3 liters of clean water per day. Sunlight enters inside of the ball, passing through transparent layer and evaporates dirty water in the other side of the ball. Water vapor condenses from clean water. Stirling engine power. Stirling engine is a heat engine that is operated by the cyclic compression and expansion of air or other gas the work fluid at different temperatures resulting in net conversion of heat energy to mechanical work. More specifically, the Stirling engine is a closed cycle regenerative heat energy with a permanent gaseous working fluid. Closed, closed cycle in this content means a thermodynamic system in which the working fluid is permanently contained within the system. And regenerative describes the use of a specific type of internal heat exchanger and thermal store known as the regenerate. Hydropower. Hydropower, also known as water power, is the use of falling or fast running water to produce electricity or to power mechanics. This is achieved by converting the gravitational potential or kinetic energy of a water source to produce power. Hydropower is a method of sustainable energy production. The Three Gorges Dam in China, the hydroelectric dam, is the world's largest power station by installed capacity since ancient times. Hydropower from watermills has been used as a renewable energy source for irrigation and the operation of mechanical devices such as grist mills, sawmills, textile mills, trip hammers, dog cranes, domestic lifts, and overmills. A trope which produces compressed air from falling water is sometimes used to power that machinery at distance. Now we will discuss about windmills. A windmill is a structure that converts wind power into rotational energy by means of vanes called sails or blades, specifically to grain mills, but the term is also extended to wind pumps, wind turbines and other applications. The wind term engine is sometimes used to describe such devices. Observe the diagram at the top. The generator is there to convert mechanical energy into electricity. In between the cable wires, electricity is there to use to transfer the electricity to line. At bottom, computer system controls direction of the blades is there. Windmills were used through the high medieval and early modern periods. The horizontal or Pennine windmill first appeared in Greater Iron during the ninth century. The vertical windmill in northwestern Europe is the 12th century. Regarded as an icon of Dutch culture, there are approximately 1,000 windmills in the Netherlands today. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the thermal energy in the earth crust which originates from the formation of the planet and form radioactive decay of materials in currently unsustainable but possibly roughly equal proportions. The high temperature and pressure in earth interior cause some rock to melt and solid mentally to behave plastically. This results in part of the maintain converting upward since it is lighter than the surroundings rock. Temperatures at the core mantle boundary can reach over 4000 degrees centigrade. Observe the figures. Left side steam rising from the Netherere geothermal power station in islands. Right side the Imperial Valley geothermal project near the Salon Sea, California. Geothermal heating using water from hot springs, from example, has been used for bathing since Paleolithic times and for space heating since ancient Roman times. More recently, geothermal power, the term used to generate of electricity for geothermal energy, has gained in importance. It is estimated that the Earth's geothermal resources are theoretically more than adequate to supply humanity's energy needs, although only a very small fraction is currently being profitably exploited, often in areas near tectonic plate boundaries. Now, I want to tell one thing to you, friends: don't pollute the water and trees because the future of renewable energy depends on you, on us. Okay, thank you, friends.